Today I'll be making this yummy chicken pepper soup. For my ingredients, I have already boiled chicken, chicken stock, pepper soup spice, salt, scotch bonnet pepper, dried pepper, and scent leaf. So I'll set my pot on fire and pour in 2 cups of clean water. I'll add in the pepper soup spice and also the blended dried pepper. I'll go ahead to cover this up for it to boil. So while it's boiling, I'll go ahead to prepare my ingredients. I'll start by cutting my chicken into smaller chunks. Also, I would slice the scent leaf and the scotch bonnet pepper. After the pepper soup base has come to a boil, I'll go ahead to add in my chicken. And also add in the chicken stock. I added more grounded pepper because the previous one I added was not spicy enough for me. So I'm going to cover this up to boil again. I won't be adding any seasoning cube or salt to this pepper soup because the chicken stock I added had enough salt and seasoning. Now I'll be adding the scent leaf and the fresh pepper. I'll cover it up to cook for 5 more minutes and my yummy pepper soup will be ready. As you can see, this recipe is simple and straightforward. This chicken pepper soup can be served with rice, yam, potato, plantain, and so on. I hope you enjoyed watching and you've learned how to make chicken pepper soup. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another cooking recipe. Bye.